What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a retro effect logo in Photoshop. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. When this is done, launch Photoshop and then drag and drop the retro text effect logo mockup file into Photoshop to open it up. It might take a second to load, and then you can preview the current retro effect. Remove the background by toggling the visibility of the background and circle layers. Next, to edit the retro effect text or image, double-click the Edit Here thumbnail in your Layers panel. It might take a second for the next Photoshop tab to open up. Select the Type tool and change the text. In this example, I'll write Tag How. Feel free to import a logo file instead, but make sure you're using a PNG file with a transparent background. Edit the text font, size, and wrap text options such as the bend, horizontal distortion, and vertical distortion. When using the Ctrl and S shortcut on PC or Command and S on Mac, you save these layers and the changes will be automatically applied to your original retro effect Photoshop project. Head back to the previous file to see how the text changed. Next, after editing the image, select the Change Color layer and proceed to adjust the color hue, saturation, and lightness. I'd leave the lightness level at 0 as it seems to create the best retro effect. I'll also disable the background layer visibility or replace it with a differently colored background to see how I want the retro effect to look like. Before exporting your project, expand the Effect Layers folder. When double-clicking the texture layer, you'll have an option to replace the current texture file with a different one. Find Texture Graphic Assets on Envato and download the one you wish to use. Lastly, head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you kept the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.